Okay, hey guys, today I have a fun topic for you guys. Fun art subscriber topic. So if you like it, stay tuned, continue watching the video, and let's begin this video. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today's video is something a little bit different than what we have been doing on this channel. I'm going to start a new segment, a new thing that we can do with you guys, and my brother and my mom helped me came up with this idea, which is fantastic. So shout out to you guys. So this is a fun idea that we could do together. So I'm really excited about that, and we're going to yesterday I had done my brother's request on how to draw Princess Leia from Star Wars, and I did that video for him, and I'm going to feature his art in today's video, which brings me to this point. So this point is I'm going to have a segment or video dedicated to you guys, and where you guys comment, you'll be submitting your art to me on Instagram, email Anna08 on Instagram, and you can tag me. We can say the tag is Anna show my art, or here's my art, or something like that, and you can tag me on Instagram if you want your art featured in the next upcoming video. We can do a segment on that. Just tag me on Instagram if you want to, or so I think that's a good idea. So in today's video, I'm going to do my brother's art, and he had drawn Princess Leia, and it's amazing. Like, oh my gosh, and he was saying how wonderful a teacher I am, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm glad you liked it and were able to follow along. And you know, with drawing tutorials and what I do, you guys can tag me on your art if you follow along my drawing tutorial or something. I would love to feature you in a video, or I can say good things about it, and we can have fun, and we can call this subscribers gallery, art gallery. And we can feature you guys, and if you guys want to show your art, we could do that. So I'm really excited for this fun idea of being able to connect with you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be featuring my brother's art from Princess Leia's drawing tutorial I did yesterday. So that was really fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's a quick one today. And I'm going to be featuring his art in today's video as well. So that's really exciting, and I hope you guys will submit your art. If you want to subscribe to the channel and haven't already, but you can submit your art to my Instagram, email Anna08 for that, and we can have a tag or something, or just tag me on Instagram if you want to. I've been seeing your prompt list, your Jadacorn, and those are amazing. Thank you for tagging me on Instagram and sharing your work with me. I love that we have a community together and I can see what you're doing. If you have any questions or anything like that, if you want to get submitted for your next thing or the next video, just tag me on Instagram and I'll be happy to do it. And that'll be a fun community togetherness, and I hope you guys like this short video. Just submit your work down below. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up this video, and submit your art. So I would love to see your art. And only tell me in the comments or something if you want to be featured in the video, so that way I know it's okay to show you. So yeah, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe down below, notification bell on, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.